Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. Ready to explore the world with us again? Today we're taking a trip to the City of Lights, Paris, for 3 days of fun in the sun, culture, and cuisine. Day 1, the Eiffel Tower and beyond. Our first day in Paris is all about iconic landmarks and delicious food. After settling into our hotel near the Champ de Mars, we headed straight to the Eiffel Tower, one of the most famous structures in the world. We took the time to appreciate its beauty up close, then made our way to the second floor for a picnic lunch. No trip to Paris is complete without trying a fresh baguette with some cheese and wine. And let me tell you, the ones in Paris are simply divine. As the sun began to set, we took a stroll along the Champs de Mars, enjoying the lively atmosphere and the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower in the distance. To continue our culinary adventure, we made our way to the Latin Quarter, a historic neighborhood known for its student population and lively atmosphere. Here we stumbled upon a cozy restaurant tucked away on a quiet street. The menu boasted traditional French dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. We started our meal with a classic French onion soup, which was rich and flavorful, and followed it up with a plate of moules frites, or mussels and fries. The mussels were cooked to perfection in a creamy sauce and were absolutely delicious. After dinner, we took a leisurely walk along the Seine River, enjoying the calm waters and the beautiful architecture that lined the banks. We crossed the Pont Neuf, one of the oldest bridges in Paris, and made our way to the Île d'Ely site, an island in the Seine River that's home to some of Paris's most iconic landmarks. We stopped by the Notre Dame Cathedral, which was unfortunately closed for renovations, but we still took a moment to appreciate its stunning Gothic architecture from the outside. We then made our way to the nearby Shakespeare and Company bookstore, which is said to be the oldest English language bookstore in Paris. We spent some time browsing the shelves, then made our way back across the river to our hotel, where we called it a night. Day 2, art and exploration. Our second day in Paris is all about art and exploration. We started the day with a visit to the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most famous works of art, including the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. We spent hours wandering through the museum's vast halls, taking in the beauty of the paintings and sculptures. It really is a feast for the eyes and the mind. After the Louvre, we made our way to the trendy Le Marais district, which is known for its fashionable boutiques and art galleries. We took a stroll through the picturesque streets, stopping to admire the unique architecture and soaking up the lively atmosphere. We also visited the Picasso Museum, which houses a vast collection of the artist's work, as well as a beautiful sculpture garden. In the afternoon, we took a break from sightseeing to indulge in some retail therapy. We visited the Galeries Lafayette, a famous department store that's known for its luxurious atmosphere and high-end brands. We browsed the latest fashion trends and picked up some souvenirs to remember our trip. As the sun began to set, we made our way to the Montmartre district, which is known for its bohemian history and stunning views of the city. We took a ride on the funicular railway to the top of the hill, then made our way to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. We spent some time exploring the basilica's interior, then took a stroll through the charming streets of Montmartre, enjoying the street performers and artists. We stopped for dinner at a local restaurant where we enjoyed a delicious meal of steak frites, a classic French dish of steak and fries. After dinner, we took a nighttime tour of the city, which included a cruise on the Seine River. We saw all of Paris's most famous landmarks illuminated at night, including the Eiffel Tower, the Champs de Mars, the Louvre Museum, and the Notre Dame Cathedral. It was truly a magical experience. Day 3, Versailles and beyond. Our final day in Paris is all about history and culture. We started the day with a visit to the Palace of Versailles, the former royal residence of France's son King Louis XIV. We spent hours exploring the palace's vast halls and gardens, which were meticulously designed and absolutely stunning. After Versailles, we made our way back to Paris and took a stroll through the Jardin du Luxembourg, one of the city's most beautiful parks. We relaxed on the manicured lawns, took in the beauty of the flowers and trees, and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. We then made our way to the Pantheon, a mausoleum that's dedicated to some of France's most famous citizens. We spent some time exploring the Pantheon's interior, which is decorated with stunning frescoes and sculptures. For our last day in Paris, we treated ourselves to a picnic lunch near the Arc de Triomphe, a famous monument that honors those who fought in the French Revolution. We enjoyed a delicious meal of quiche and salad while taking in the views of the Champs-Élysées, one of Paris's most famous streets. As our trip came to an end, we took a final stroll through the city, taking in the sights and sounds of this amazing place. From the bustling streets of Le Marais to the tranquil gardens of the Luxembourg Palace, we had fallen in love with Paris. And while we were sad to say goodbye, we knew we would be back.